Sunlight dances on the tranquil river as Oliver emerges, the air filled with soft ukulele music and birdsong. The narrator introduces, "Meet Oliver, a curious otter who sometimes feels big feelings." A swirling vortex of colors and shapes fills the mindscape. Oliver introduces himself. "Hi, I'm Oliver. I love swimming and collecting shiny rocks. But sometimes, I don't know what to do when I feel funny inside." In a sun-drenched meadow, Oliver plays tag with ducklings, surrounded by a sea of yellow flowers. Happiness is like the color, yellow bright and warm. Oliver stands, a wide grin plastered across his face, practically radiating energy. "I feel like I want to wiggle and giggle and smile," Oliver exclaims, his excitement barely contained. In the stark emptiness, a voice echoes, "That's happiness. When you're happy, it's nice to share your smile." A message materializes in the void. "Happy. Yellow. Share your smile." Amidst the rhythmic drumming of raindrops, Oliver sits hunched beneath the sprawling branches of a tree, his shoulders slumped with dejection. The spot where his favorite shiny rock used to be is now conspicuously empty. Oliver feels sad. Sad feels like the color blue, like rainy skies and teardrops. In the stark emptiness, Oliver stands alone, his shoulders slumped in defeat. Tears well up in Oliver's eyes as he struggles to contain his sorrow. A sniffle escapes him, a small sound swallowed by the silence as he says, "I lost my favorite shiny rock. I feel a little droopy." Oliver sits alone on his bed. A cloud of sadness hangs over him. He takes a deep breath, trying to find his calm. "Mama?" Oliver calls out, his voice small and filled with longing. Mama Otter embraces Oliver, offering solace in her tender hold. "It's okay, Oliver. I'm here. Want a big otter hug?" Oliver smiles faintly, a subtle acknowledgement of the digital world around him. "Yes, please." A digital whisper appears. "Sad equals blue. Breathe, talk, hug." The rhythmic pulse of drum beats begins, gradually escalating in tempo and volume, permeating the air. Oliver's friend, in a moment of clumsiness, inadvertently kicks over Oliver's meticulously constructed sandcastle. A flush of embarrassment and frustration creeps across his face, painting it a vivid red. A vortex of crimson swirls, ominously, filling the screen with molten fury. The air crackles with intense heat as the narrator warns. Uh-oh. Now Oliver feels angry. Angry can feel like red-hot and fiery, like a volcano ready to pop. Oliver stands, his face a mask of frustration, jaw clenched. Oliver explodes in anger. "Grr. I worked so hard on that castle." The narrator's voice echoes in the ethereal space. "It's okay to feel angry, but we need to cool the fire." Floating gently, the words "stop, breathe, and move" glow softly, offering guidance. The narrator continues. Let's help Oliver calm down using the technique. Stop, breathe, and move. Oliver breathes deeply, preparing himself. He shakes his paws gently. Oliver sits up, his features softening as the tension visibly drains away. "I feel better now. I can talk instead of growl." Oliver sits among scattered blocks, his face a mask of frustration. His eyes, filled with pleading, search for connection as he asks, "I'm mad that my castle got knocked over. Can we build it again together?" Gentle flute music dances on the breeze as Oliver drifts in the river, eyes fixed on the sky. A delicate butterfly graces his face, a fleeting touch of nature's beauty. A wash of green floods the scene, soft and calming. Images of leaves rustling in a gentle breeze appear and fade. Cool grass sways gently, adding to the sense of peace. Narrator's voice softly echoes. Now Oliver feels calm. Calm feels like the color green soft leaves, cool grass, and a gentle breeze. In a space unbound, serenity fills the air. Oliver speaks, his voice soft. "I feel like a cloud floating in the sky." Sunlight streams through the forest canopy, painting the ground with dancing shadows. The wind whispers through the trees, their branches swaying in a gentle dance. To feel calm, try laying still, listening to the sounds around you, and watching the trees sway. The narrator's voice echoes through the forest. To feel calm, try laying still, listening to the sounds around you, and watching the trees sway. A rainbow arches across the sky, its vibrant colors painting the air with magic. Oliver looks up, his face alight with wonder. as the rainbow's melody fills the air. His friends gather beside him, their eyes mirroring his awe at the sky's breathtaking display. In the vast darkness, a single spotlight reveals a floating screen where colors swirl and dance. The narrator's voice echoes. Oliver learned that all feelings are part of being you. Like the colors of a rainbow, they come and go. Happy as yellow, sad as blue, angry as red, and calm as green. As the sun sets, Oliver, radiant with newfound understanding, stands among his friends, the sky ablaze with color. Oliver exclaims, "Now I know how to feel my feelings and what to do with them." His friends respond with a resounding cheers. Oliver and his friends wave goodbye as the last rays of sunlight fade. In a room filled with stories, a warm light embraces the narrator, his face a map of countless tales. The narrator's voice fills the quiet air. And now, it's time to rest. Good night, Oliver. Good night, little otters everywhere.